Hello everyone! I'm wondering what we're going to do today in our tutorial. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks like a lot of fun. I'll see you there. For this project we will need wax crayons, so pick a color of your choice, watercolors, and of course a paintbrush. If you have a bigger one, please take one as well. Paper towel and water. I completely forgot to videotape these two lines that I drew in, but I'm sure you can catch up. You can just pause the video and then draw those two curves and then follow the rest of my tutorial. Before we do any other coloring here, what we need to make sure of is that these lines are really thick. So I'm going to go ahead and go in there and press hard on my crayon and just make very thick black lines. I'm going to put a short little sort of leaf shape inside the large ones. First thing we're going to do is clear wash. We're going to start right here on the inside. Clear washing means that you put down some clean water into the area that you want to paint. You can start with any color you like. I decided to go for orange and just add some orange spots into the water. Let them flow. Do you notice how I leave some white areas open? Because they're going to get filled with other colors afterwards. I am washing my brush to pick up my next color. I choose yellow and I'm going to add it to the white areas. Now that I look at it, I feel like I need a little bit darker orange in there. So I pick up my darker orange and just dab it into the wet areas and let it flow. I am ready to paint the next part of my flower. Remember to clear wash before you add your colors of choice. Notice how I colored this area first and then this one, because they don't touch each other, so the colors cannot flow into each other. Next I'm going to clear wash these larger areas of the petal of each one and fill them with any color I like. Have fun. So I'm going to go ahead and clear wash now and then add another set of colors in here. Start with some blue.
Purple or magenta red, like that. Maybe a little bit more purple. What do I want to finish with? Maybe with yellow. I'm liking it.
Okay, for the background, we start clear washing the paper first, like we did the whole time. You could use a larger brush if you have one at hand. If not, just use your regular brush.
And I'm going to choose a light blue for the background.
Alright, I noticed that I have some puddles in my paper, so I'm going to just pick up my art piece and let it flow. I decided to put some cool water drop effects into my painting. All you need to do is pick up clean water and splatter it with your paintbrush. The last thing we're gonna do is, as usual, splatter a little bit of paint all over. I'm choosing 3 colors: blue, magenta red, and yellow. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.